Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel and today we are going to learn how to fix Roblox crashing. So let's get started. So if your Roblox game is crashing and you want to fix that, so to fix that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First what you can do is restart your PC, and by restarting your PC you should fix the problem. So what you can do is just simply tap on the Windows key in your keyboard and then tap on this power button and then tap on restart. After restarting your PC, it should fix the problem, but if that did not fix the problem, then what you have to do is just simply head on over to your Roblox. And now what you have to do is just simply run your Roblox as administrator. So just simply go ahead and then run it as administrator, and that should fix the problem. But if that did not fix the problem, then what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then uninstall your Roblox application. And after uninstalling it, now what you have to do is just simply come back, and now from your keyboard just simply type in Windows plus R. And after typing in Windows plus R, now what you have to do is just simply type in %temp%. And after typing in %temp%, now what you have to do is just simply type in Control plus A and then Control plus T, and just tap on continue. And after doing that, now you can just simply go ahead and then take this option which says do this for all current items and then tap on skip. And after doing that, now what you have to do is just simply again type in Windows plus R, and now you have to search for %localappdata%. After doing that, just simply tap on OK, and after tapping on OK, now you'll find all these applications. From here, what you have to do is just simply search for Roblox, and after searching for Roblox, you just have to delete it. So what you have to do is just simply tap on this app data option, and after tapping on app data, just simply tap on local, and you should find your Roblox file over here. What you have to do is just simply select that file and then delete it. And after deleting that file, now what you have to do is just simply open up your Microsoft Store. And after opening up your Microsoft Store, in search bar you can just simply search for Roblox. And after searching for Roblox, you will find Roblox application. What you have to do is just simply go ahead and then install it. And after installing it, now what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then try to play your Roblox game, and that should fix the problem. But if that did not fix the problem, then what you have to do is just simply search for Roblox and you will find run as administrator option. Just simply tap on run as administrator, and that should also fix the problem. So that's it guys, this is how to fix Roblox crashing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.